Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Ubo Ibo. I'll start posting videos in this channel on how to speak and understand Igbo, especially the basic Igbos. If you are going to follow me in this channel, I promise you that you will learn Igbo, especially the basic Igbo. You should be able to learn to introduce yourself in Igbo, to greet people in Igbo, and also say certain basic things in Igbo without help or difficulty. Our first 30 videos will be covering the basic Igbo language. Igbo is not too hard to learn. Yes, I know it can be hard as in compared to other languages, but it's not too hard. You can possibly learn to speak Igbo language. I guarantee you that. Okay, we will have first 30 lessons, and these lessons will cover the basic Igbos. I'll teach you Igbo and I will guarantee that you will learn. Makagini abo nwafọ. Nwafọ Igbo. Ezigbo nwafọ Igbo. Ada Igbo. Ugbo oyibo. I guarantee you will learn basic Igbos. You can introduce yourself in Igbo. You can greet people in Igbo. You can ask simple questions in Igbo, and you can answer simple questions in Igbo before we finish our first 30 lessons. After the end of the first 30 lessons, we can now enter deeply into Igbo languages. And I believe if you follow me through the first 30 lessons, you can be able to go with me through the remaining lessons that will come up in this channel without difficulty. Alright loves, I remain Ubo Oyibo. See you in my first lesson. Kiss kiss.